Tired of juggling two numbers? Let's seamlessly bring your Google Voice number over to your AT&T service. First, you'll need to prepare your Google Voice number. Log in to your Google Voice account on a computer. Not the app. Navigate to the settings and find the linked numbers section. Ensure your Google Voice number is active and not currently being used to port out another number. Within the Google Voice settings, locate the Port Out Number option. You'll likely need to confirm your intention to port, and in some cases, may be prompted to pay a small port-out fee to Google to release your number. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate this process with Google. Next, it's time to engage AT&T. Go to the AT&T website or visit an AT&T store. When you're setting up your new AT&T service or adding a line, you'll have the option to bring your own number. Select this option. You'll need a few critical pieces of information from your Google Voice account for AT&T. This includes your Google Voice account number, which is usually your Google Voice number itself, and a porting PIN, which you can generate within your Google Voice settings. Also, have your Google Voice phone number ready. When AT&T asks for your existing carrier information, select Google Voice or a similar option if provided. Carefully enter the account number, porting PIN, and the Google Voice number you wish to transfer. AT&T will then initiate the porting process, which typically takes a few business days. During this time, your Google Voice number will remain active. Once AT&T confirms the port is complete, your Google Voice number will be active on your AT&T plan, and your Google Voice account will likely be deactivated. You've successfully consolidated your communications.